Well, guys, after getting the ground strap replaced and getting all my wiring and my strut support bar back in, yeah, I know it's not pretty. Might have to do an overhaul on this if it's not a dead battery. The battery's pretty old. It's pretty dead looking. We did crank on it quite a bit the past few days when it died up the road on us and when we got it back. So, wouldn't be surprised if it was a dead battery. As far as that goes, though, might have a rebuild coming soon of it, complete overhaul. Um, yeah, hopefully it goes good. Hopefully it's just a battery. I wanted a project for myself, just not right offhand like this. Hopefully, though, it goes good. Hopefully it's just a battery. Nothing stupid. If it is something stupid, get ready for an overhaul.